welcome back to the channel. I finally got an update on the 22RE rebuild. It's been a month or so. We've been waiting on parts and first one thing to another. We left off in the last video. I had to buy a new head, had it ported, polished, the timing chain, all the parts finally came in. Got to inspecting it. The old cam and the rocker, which was this one right here that was bad, I went ahead and had to replace it because it was eat up. I've got new adjusters on the way because the bottom of these things look like you have beat them with a hammer, so I ordered a new set of those. The rest of the rockers are nice and slick. So anyway, there's that. We've got that assembled back to there, got the timing chain and gears on there. Had to order a new front cover. I'm on my third one. Ordered one, it didn't come. Ordered a second one, it got delayed. Both of them, didn't get charged for. I canceled them. Ordered another one, it shows it'll be here Monday. So, excuse me, Friday. It was supposed to be here tomorrow. These are supposed to be here Monday. So hopefully we'll get that back together. What I do have for today is we're doing an EGR delete on this thing whenever we put it back together. I ordered from One Yoda the block off plates for that, for this, and of course when you get the exhaust put on, I've got the block off plates to put over there. So we're gonna go ahead and get those installed today. Making a little progress, but we really can't do anything until we get the timing chain cover. I can't cinch it down, can't cinch the timing chain gear down because of that one bolt right there that the little fellers overseas decided had to be right there. So this is going to have to come back off. It's just hand tight. Got to come back off long enough for me to put that one bolt in. Then put that on. Then I can cinch the timing chain, torque it down to the correct foot-pound. Just want to give y'all a quick update. I'm going to go ahead and get the tools out and get these plates put on. We'll take a look at what they look like once they're on there. I haven't even taken them out of the package other than what you just saw right there. The one's open, the other one ain't. Let me get something to work with. All right, it doesn't look like very much progress today, but like I said, I installed them plates. They block off. We're removing the EGR setup from this thing. It ain't for no horsepower gain. It's just to clean the engine bay up. And it's old and whatever. Right there is what those look like. Nice thick. I believe that's 1/4 inch, or I'm sure it's in millimeters. Thick aluminum. Let me show you the rest of the parts. Well, like I said earlier, part of this stuff come from Yoda One Performance Incorporated, and some of it came from 22RE Performance. They was nice enough, include a big sticker. Of course, I think that's pretty well stapling most stuff you get. 22RE Performance included that one. One of them threw this in, which is a new 22RE sticker for the front of the valve cover. But from the other one, I purchased a sticker. So I've got 2 of those. Got these parts right here. These will go on at the back of the, I can't think of what that thing's called. Anyway, there's a little place where that goes on there. The gasket's laying here somewhere for it. And these go on the exhaust manifold whenever you get it put on. So I'm just gonna lay those back in the box and they'll lay up for the time being. But that's it for today's update. If y'all enjoyed the video, give it a like, share, subscribe. We do several things on the channel. Diecast, RC cars. That's wheel swap, by the way. Do some RC car stuff. Just a little everything. If y'all enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe. Have a great day. God bless. See you on the next one. One more thing before I go. If you all are into diecast, anybody, give these people a shout. Check out their site. They do Whatnot sales. They have a website, shop164.com. They sell all kinds of stuff for wheel swaps and customizing Hot Wheels. This is one of their products right here. Back the camera up, there you go. That's one of their products. Give them a look. They're on Whatnot and the internet. Later.